Hi guys, FX Shepherd speaking. I'm back with another video, guys. Okay, guys, today we're going to be analyzing GER40, right? So what's gonna happen is that we're not gonna analyze it from a bigger time frame, guys. Why? Because we're just looking for structure, so you can be able to take positions. You understand what I mean? So what we're going to use today is what do you call intraday. So basically, as a day trader, you can use intraday for you to be able to do what? To take some positions in the market. You understand what I mean, guys? So now, what's gonna happen is that you identify the low and the high of yesterday, and then you see exactly what is happening in the market by that time. You understand what I mean? So we can see we're having these dotted lines right here, guys, right? That's what we call the intraday lines. And how we can actually tell that is that the market, you can see that it has period separators. Let me just show you. We have period separators around the chart right here. So each block is days, guys. This is yesterday, this is today right here, and this is the day before yesterday. So basically, in order for us to take some trades or some positions, we actually look what happened, back in 2 days or 3 days or a week ago. You understand what I mean? We are able to actually use what happened previously to be able to take positions, at the current state. So basically, if you can check, guys, on this 1 hour time frame, what we have right here, there's this dotted lines right here. You can see this area right here. This is my intraday area, where the market actually did what? Opened, closed yesterday and then opened today, right, in the AMs, right, around 12 a.m., right? So as you can see that the market definitely opened by just going all the way down. The minute the London sessions open, that's where we're going to be trying to prepare to take some positions on GER30 or GER40. So basically, if we can check, guys, we're going to look on our left hand side, right? So we can see that we're having this nice support area right here. Well, this is the week of this low right here, so we're just gonna highlight that. And then what's gonna happen is that from where the chart is, guys, if ever, you can see that that's my low, right? So if ever now the market breaks down this support right here, what's going to happen is that immediately around London session, the market is going to try by all means to push all the way down to come and test around this area right here. You understand? After testing this area, because this will be the lowest point, I'm talking about this area right here. So after the market pushes all the way down, that's where we're going to continue to start looking for what? Buys, so we can be able to test what? The intraday. But right now we can see that we had this nice wick right here around this support right here, and then we had this other small candle which opened above, closed above this support right here. So we have this one right here, it's struggling to go all the way up and break, you know what I mean? So we have to see exactly what's forming around this area, and let's see how the price is going to react around this level right here. So what we need to do, guys, is that we need to go before, if ever we're looking for sales, guys, what's going to happen is that we're going to expect the market to go and test the intraday, which is this area right here. You understand? The market has to do what? The market has to go buy and retest around that area, and then we can have a continuation to the downside if ever that's the situation. You understand what I mean? But what we want to do, guys, is that we don't want to only focus on the movement that is going to happen in the future, or what is going to happen in the next hour or 30 minutes time. For instance, right now, during the London session open, if you were to analyze GBP USD, because it's going to be a highly volatile around that area, around that time, what's going to happen is that you only look for what? You look for setups, guys. You look for something that makes sense. And if you can check this this intraday level. You can see even on the left hand side that this area is a very strong resistance right here. Why? Because we're having a lot of touches right here. The market bounced around this area and then moved all the way up and then came back, retest, continue to drop like that. So now we actually dropped in this market, so we need to go back to retest around that level before we can actually start looking for those cells. You understand what I mean? So what's going to happen is that, guys, we're going to be looking to do what? We're going to be looking to buy around 9:45 to 10, to 10 o'clock or to 10:15, a.m. South African time. You understand what I mean, guys? So you have to be able to check the market structure by that time and see exactly what's happening around this area. So we can see that on a smaller time frame that we're having this nice weeks right here, and if you can check those weeks, they look like pin bars right here. I have a pin bar right here, and if you can check, I have a pin bar right here, and then you can see that having this nice young retest right here. So let's just wait and see how the market is going to react around this area right here, because again we're having this level right here. We can actually highlight this area right here just so that you can actually see if we're gonna break this level right here. So if we break this area right here, then we 100% sure that we're just gonna push all the way to the intraday area. So but we need to do what? We need to retest to the intraday, because the market, ever since it opened, it dropped and went all the way down. So just be, just beware of this kind of trading style. And if you want to be a day trader, you can actually use this style and just check what happened. And again, if you can check this intraday area right here, I can say that the market has to just do what? Has to go back and retest around yesterday's low right here. If you can check, this was the low of yesterday, right? So it has to go back again and retest around this area right here, and then that's when you can actually expect to have those continuation to the downside. But currently we're going to be expecting the market to do what? To push all the way up to the intraday area. You understand what I mean, guys? So I hope that you understand how I'm going to be taking my trades and what is it that I'm actually looking out for. You understand what I mean, guys? So you can see that the market is just trying to push all the way up right now. You understand what I mean, guys? So just stay tuned, guys, and make sure that you kill the market. You understand what I mean, guys? So for those who don't understand the strategy again, make sure that you comment down below, and I will definitely help you freely. You understand what I mean? So let's continue to study the market, learn the market, and improve how we trade. And another thing that is important, guys, is the psychology that is happening behind the charts. You understand what I mean? When I take a trade, are you freaking out? What's happening with your emotions? Are you scared? Like, what is happening? Those are the kind of things that you need to be looking out for, and those are the most important factors that you have to, train yourself, around the market. So let's continue to push, guys. Make sure that you press that like button, subscribe, and share, guys. You understand what I mean, guys? And if you don't mind, you can press the notification bell so that next time when I drop something, you get notified. You get what I mean, guys? So it's your boy right here. I'm out, guys. Peace.